Welcome to our channel. Did you know that if you experience symptoms like burning sensations, stabbing pains, tingling, shooting pains, or numbness in your hands or feet, you could be dealing with peripheral neuropathy, a condition involving nerve damage? Peripheral neuropathy can also manifest as muscle weakness, difficulty in coordination, or heightened sensitivity to touch. It is commonly linked to factors such as high blood sugar levels, injuries, excessive consumption of advanced glycation end products, ages, found in processed foods, and smoking. In this video, we'll explore the critical role of 6 essential vitamins and nutrients in supporting nerve health. These nutrients are key to reversing nerve damage and promoting natural healing for peripheral neuropathy. They enhance blood circulation, vital for protecting and restoring the body's nerve network, the intricate electrical control system. Top 6 vitamins that repair nerve damage. Neuropathy. 1. B vitamins and neuropathy. B vitamins are crucial for maintaining a healthy nervous system, making them valuable in the treatment of neuropathy, which can sometimes stem from B vitamin deficiencies. B1. Thiamine and benfotiamine, essential for nerve function. Benfotiamine, a form of B1, is often preferred due to its enhanced absorption. B6. Helps maintain nerve sheath integrity. It's important not to exceed 200 mg daily to avoid potential nerve damage. B12. Deficiency in B12 can lead to peripheral neuropathy and potentially permanent nerve damage. Supplementing with B12 is recommended if deficiency is suspected. Food sources include meat, poultry, fish, seafood, eggs, low-fat dairy products, fortified cereals, and vegetables. Benefits of B vitamins in neuropathy treatment. Nerve repair. B vitamins are known to accelerate nerve tissue regeneration and enhance nerve function. Pain relief. They may help alleviate neuropathic pain and inflammation associated with nerve damage. Studies suggest that benfotiamine could benefit those with neuropathy linked to diabetes, with doses ranging from 300 mg to 900 mg per day showing potential efficacy. 2. Alpha-Lipoic Acid for neuropathy. Alpha-Lipoic acid is an antioxidant known for its potential benefits in treating neuropathy associated with diabetes or cancer treatment. Benefits of alpha-lipoic acid. Nerve function improvement. Research from 2021 suggests it can lower blood sugar levels, enhance nerve function, and alleviate symptoms like pain, itching, tingling, prickling, numbness, and burning in the arms and legs. Dietary sources. Trace amounts are found in foods such as liver, red meat, broccoli, brewer's yeast, spinach, and Brussels sprouts. Studies indicate alpha-lipoic acid improves nerve conduction and reduces neuropathic pain. 3. Curcumin and neuropathy. Curcumin is a natural compound found in turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It has shown promise in managing neuropathy through various mechanisms. Curcumin reduces inflammation, which can alleviate nerve pain and discomfort associated with neuropathy. As an antioxidant, curcumin helps protect nerve cells from oxidative stress and damage, which are common factors in neuropathic conditions. Studies suggest curcumin may help reduce neuropathic pain by modulating pain pathways and neurotransmitters involved in pain sensation. Research indicates curcumin may support nerve regeneration and improve nerve function, potentially aiding in the recovery from neuropathy. 4. Omega-3 fatty acids and neuropathy. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential nutrients known for their anti-inflammatory properties and overall health benefits. They play a crucial role in managing neuropathy through various mechanisms. Omega-3s, particularly EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including nerves affected by neuropathy. Research suggests omega-3s may alleviate neuropathic pain by modulating inflammation and pain pathways in the nervous system. Omega-3s may enhance blood circulation, which is essential for delivering nutrients and oxygen to nerves, supporting their function and repair. Omega-3 fatty acids are primarily found in fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout. They can also be obtained from plant-based sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. 5. Zinc and nerve health. Zinc is an essential mineral that plays a vital role in numerous bodily functions, including maintaining nerve health and function. Zinc is crucial for the proper functioning of nerve cells and neurotransmission, which involves the transmission of signals between nerve cells. As an antioxidant, zinc helps protect nerve cells from oxidative stress and damage, which can contribute to neuropathy. Zinc supports a healthy immune system, which is essential for protecting nerves from infections and inflammation that can damage nerve tissue. Zinc is involved in the process of nerve repair and regeneration, aiding in the recovery from nerve damage associated with neuropathy. Good food sources of zinc include meat, particularly red meat, shellfish, such as oysters, poultry, dairy products, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. 6. Vitamin D and nerve health. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin known primarily for its role in maintaining bone health and supporting the immune system. However, emerging research suggests it may also play a significant role in nerve health and potentially aid in managing nerve damage. Vitamin D receptors are present on nerve cells, indicating its direct involvement in nerve function and protection. Studies suggest that vitamin D may support nerve regeneration processes, aiding in the recovery from nerve damage. It promotes the production of neurotrophic factors that support nerve growth and function. Vitamin D deficiency has been linked to chronic pain conditions, including neuropathic pain. The primary source of vitamin D is sunlight exposure, which stimulates its production in the skin. Dietary sources include fatty fish, such as salmon and mackerel, fortified dairy products, and fortified cereals. Lifestyle tips to support nerve repair and health. Balanced diet. Consume a diet rich in nutrients essential for nerve health, such as vitamins B, B1, B6, B12, D, and E, as well as omega-3 fatty acids. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Regular exercise. Engage in regular physical activity to improve circulation, promote nerve function, and reduce inflammation. Activities like walking, swimming, yoga, and Tai Chi can be beneficial. Manage blood sugar levels. If you have diabetes or insulin resistance, maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for preventing nerve damage. Quitting smoking can help improve nerve health and overall well-being. Drink alcohol in moderation or avoid it altogether. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. Aim for 7-9 hours of restful sleep each night to support optimal nerve function. Maintain healthy weight. Being overweight or obese can increase the risk of nerve damage. Dehydration can affect nerve function and exacerbate symptoms of nerve damage. Avoid toxins. Minimize exposure to environmental toxins and chemicals that can harm nerves. The bottom line: by incorporating essential vitamins, nutrients, and healthy lifestyle habits, you can support nerve health, potentially reverse nerve damage, and alleviate symptoms of peripheral neuropathy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Health Vision for more tips on natural healing and wellness.